this is actually, so whatever the problem you solved in the last topic means in the previous topics, the different types. So type 1, finding a particular function of e power ax means exponential, trigonometric, polynomial, and variation of parameter problem, and Cauchy's and Legenders. Whatever all the problem is solved, and you can observe that while writing yc and calculating yp, you will get the constant like c1 and c2. Okay, so that what is that c1 c2? Simply we are writing like c1 c2, but that we should we have to calculate to the application oriented problem. Okay, so if you take the problem, you will understand. So why that chapter and that requires actually what is the application of this differential equation. Let me see. Just a minute. I will take one problem. Yes, take down this problem. A particle moves this is the problem. A particle moves along the x-axis. A particle moves along the x-axis according to the law. A particle moves along the x-axis according to the law d square x by dt square plus 6 times dx by dt plus 25x equal to 0. Actually, instead of dy by dx, now the problem it is in terms of x and t. Okay, dx by dt. So actually it is an application. X actually represents the position of a particle, t represents the time actually. Okay, like velocity, rate of change of position of a particle with respect to time, what we call as velocity. So dx by dt nothing but velocity, d square x by dt square nothing but acceleration. Okay, the rate of change of velocity with respect to time, that is dv by dt, that is acceleration. A particle moves along the x-axis according to the law. The equation is given, that is the differential equation in terms of x and t. If the particle is started at x is equal to 0, okay, initially, with an initial velocity of 12 feet per second to the left, determine x. Determine x of t. T stands for time. Okay. So to the left, nothing but it represents actually negative sign. That's it. Negative x-axis. Yes. Just take down. Over. Problem.
Yes, sir.
No, you need still time to copy this problem. Otherwise, if it is over, I will go to the solutions.
1 minute.
Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Given. Take down. Given d square x in terms of x, d square x plus 6 times dx plus 25x equal to 0, or d square plus 60 plus 25 into x equal to 0. Here d stands for, capital D stands for dx by d by dt, sorry. D stands for d by dt in terms of t. Okay, not d by dx. Okay, like dy by dx. How we are using to write dy. So this is dx. Okay, where x equal to 0. Okay, it is given. This is very important. X equal to 0 at actually t equal to 0. T stands for initial time. Okay, with initial velocity is mentioned now here. So when x is 0, initial nothing but t also 0, and initial velocity nothing but dx by dt. Okay, dx by dt equals to minus 12. So why it is minus negative means it is given to the left. Okay, here you write down where the v is equal to, v stands for velocity, that is equal to dx by dt. Got it? Because you know what is the definition of velocity? The physics, rate of change of position of a particle with respect to time. So this x is a position of a particle, x represents, and t stands for time. D by dt nothing but dx by dt nothing but rate of change of position of a particle with respect to time. That is called velocity. It is given velocity is 12 feet per second to the left. Left stands for negative. Okay, clear? Here you can write in a bracket negative sign indicates left x-axis, nothing but negative or negative x-axis. Now auxiliary equation m square plus 6m plus 25 equal to 0. So you can't, is there any option factorization? Is there any factors for 25 such that product is 25, sum is 6?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, then you should go with the formula as a equals 1, b equals 6, and c equals 25. So therefore m equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Substitute. Minus b nothing but minus 6 plus or minus square root of b square is 36 minus 4ac. 4 into 1 into c is 100 divided by 2a is 2. So what you will get? Minus 6 plus or minus square root of, yes, what is 36 minus 100? You will get minus 64.
64.
Is it? Yes, minus 64. And that is equal to, and see RHS is 0, then there is no question of particular integral, only complementary function. Minus 6 plus or minus, since it is square root negative, you should write I complex, and 64 is a perfect square. Now you will get 8. Is it right? It is 2, or m equals, if you can divide by 2, or you can take 2 common and you can cancel, minus 3 plus or minus 4i. So this is the roots. So nothing but alpha equals minus 3 and beta equals 4. Then what is the solution? Anyone?
Y equals e power minus 3t.
LHS? LHS? No, LHS? What is LHS?
E power minus 3x.
No, LHS.
E power 3t.
YC or XC? Just see here. What?
Sir,
What is our
YC.
problem? Not YC. Where is Y here? See, you can observe where is Y. See, dy by dx
XC.
means, just see here. Yes, 1 minute. Dy by dx means you should write y in the left hand side, and whatever the solution like c1 e power x something what you will write now, that x should be in the right hand side because denominator x. Now our equation is x is the numerator, t t is the denominator. So how to write? Just convert.
C x equals e power minus 3t.
Yes,
Bracket.
xc equals. Just a minute. Xc equals or xc are nothing but x because RHS is 0 no. Xc equals e power minus 3 t. Got it? Not x. X should be in the left hand side, t should be in the right hand side. X in terms of t into c1 cos 4t plus c2 sin 4t. Only the small change in how to write the solution. It should be in terms of x in terms of t, or finally x equals e power minus 3t into c1 cos 4t plus c2 sin 4t. So this you take it as equation 1. Because see, this is what we called as initial value problem. Okay. See, once this value is given now, what is that initial value, like dx x is equal to 0. So like the value is given now, this is nothing but we called it as initial value problem. If initial is not given means another way is called boundary. Okay, at the end points, that is called boundary value problem. So we called it as in a standard way IVP and BVP. This is the most useful tool actually, differential equation, and you will get the solution for many real problems. So whatever the real problem, even it is COVID, okay, how the day by day it is increasing or decreasing, that you can represent in a differential equation form. Okay, and with the means you have to define what is x, what is t. X is the number of days and t is the number time. Okay, so the days changes nothing but obviously t also changes, or with respect to t days changes, and what happens the number of COVID patients or whatever the death rate. So everything you can define, that is we call it as mathematical modeling. Okay, so this is the very important tool actually, differential equation. Yes, coming to this. Yes, what is given actually, see, you can observe x is equal to 0 is given and dx by dt. X and dx by dt both we require. See here, equation 1 represents x. Now calculate dx by dt. Later I will tell you how to use the, you have to calculate c1, c2, that's it. What is dx by dt? Dx by dt nothing but differentiation.
Minus
Yes,
12.
it is a product. Yes, product rule. No, first function e power minus 3t into solution is over actually because RHS is 0. Solution is over, but since the initial value is given, so with respect to that value we have to calculate the value of c1, c2. Okay. Now first function e power 3t in e power minus 3t into, what is the differentiation of first term? C1 is a constant. I will write like this, see directly. Cos 4t differentiation is minus 4 sin 4t. So like this you can write. C1 you constant keep as it is. Cos differentiation is minus. 4t differentiation is 4. So cos differentiation is minus sin, no? That is plus. C2 write as it is. But sin 4t differentiation is 4 into cos 4t. So this is the differentiation of second term plus second term into, that is C1 cos 4t plus C2 sin 4t multiplied by e power minus 3t differentiation is e power minus 3t into minus 3. So let it be equation 2. No, I will not simplify anything. Let it be equation 2. Okay. Now I will use given x equal to 0 at t equal to 0. X equal to 0 at t equal to 0. Is it right? So what happens, that is substitute in 1. Where is x actually? It is equation 1. So therefore 1 implies. Therefore 1 implies. Yes, what happens? See, 0 equals when t equal to 0 means e power 0 is 1, and t equal to 0 you will get c1 cos 4t is cos 0 is 1, is it right? I will write directly plus c2 into 0 because sin 0 is 0. So finally what I got, what I will get here, this implies, yes, anyone, what I will get?
C1.
C1 equal to 0 I will get. Is it right? Because this vanishes. Okay. The value of e power 0 is 1. The value of e power 0 is 1. So therefore C1 is equal to 0. Now let it be, that is the first value. Now another value given x equal to 0, and what is dx by dt?
Minus
What
12.
is dx by dt?
Minus 12.
Minus 12. So therefore dx by dt means it is second equation. Therefore 2 implies a substitute. Therefore 2 implies, yes, when x equal to 0, dx by dt, sorry, not x, t equal to 0. X equal to 0 or t equal to 0. Oh, sorry, this you can write like this, 1 minute. Reverse you have to write. Given t equal to 0 at x equal to 0. Second one, given t equal to 0 and sorry, this is and only, you write. And dx by dt is minus. Okay. Now substitute. 2 implies dx by dt is minus 12. Minus 12 equals e power minus 3t is 1, or you can write e power 0 multiplied by, yes, t equal to 0 means first term is 0, no need to write, plus second term is 4 into c2 into 1, cos 0 is 1, plus, sorry, here minus 3 is there, no, minus 3 e power minus 3t is e power 0 into, because here it is there, e power 0. C1 into cos 0 is 1 plus C2 is 0. So this is substitution of t equal to 0 in the RHS. Now simplify. What you will get? Minus 12 equals what you will get? 4C2. Is it right? First term 4C2. Second term minus 3C1. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Is it right? But what is C1? But C1
0.
equals 0. So therefore minus 12 equals 4C2, or what is C2 equals?
Minus 3.
Minus
Minus
12 by
3.
4, minus 3. So this is, you have to calculate the value of the constant with given conditions. Okay. Now substitute C1, C2 in our equation 1. Therefore 1 implies, that is our main solution actually. X equals, yes, what is equation 1? Here it is there. E power minus 3t into C1 is 0. No need to write anything. Plus C2 is minus 3. Minus 3 into sin 40. Or finally x equals e power, multiply minus 3 times e power minus 3t into sin 40. That's it. See, this is the final solution with respect to the given condition.